Good morning. How are you today? I'm gonna show you how your watermark action works. Um, this is the action that I'm going to send today to the newsletters for free for all my customers and new customers. So let's get started. You have the picture, any picture that you can open, it's fine, or you can have a blank document. You're gonna go click in the action and run it, and then it's gonna say to choose the logo or image that you would like to use for your watermark. So in this case, I'm just gonna pick the same one. This is in process, my logo in process. So I'm gonna get this and say place. Then I'm going to double click, and now create a watermark brush which you can find in your brush palette. Use this to place your watermark on photos. You can adjust the opacity and color as needed. So you press continue, and then if you go to your brushes, let's go here. I'll go to your brushes over here. You can see the brush. You just can name it logo. Click OK, and then you're going to for example, create a layer here, and then you're gonna just low the size, small the size, and that's it. You create your logo watermark. So you make sure you have your logo ready, and this is for easy way to just stamp on your pictures. Make sure you save it and name it so you don't forget where it is. And that's it, guys. This is all that I want to show you. I hope you like it, and see you next time.